Hi guys, what's up? Tim Queenie, and today's question is, can you see if someone removed you from LinkedIn as a connection? The answer is you can see it, but you will not be notified about it. Like if you are connected to someone and then the person will disconnect from you, you will not get a notification say, hey, this person doesn't like you anymore. They have removed you or even blocked you. It will be silent. But you would, of course, know that you actually were connected to the person and then you click on their profile and now you don't. Now, when that happens, some people get upset. I personally received an email once where someone wrote me like an angry message and asked me like, why did you remove me as a connection on LinkedIn? Now, the reason why I'm removing connections on LinkedIn is usually network cleaning. So I make sure that I'm only connected to people I actually know or actually people I actually communicate with. If I didn't talk to someone for, let's say, a year, I'm evaluating, is there potential that I'm going to meet the person again? Is there potential that I might do some form of collaboration? And if I say, no, it's probably not going to happen, then I often remove people. So if you are on that opposite end and someone removed you, should just see that there's nothing personal unless you actually really know this person. Like I would never remove someone I really know, I'm talking to on a regular basis, but just see it as like something like if you don't make an effort of talking to the other person, and don't be upset if they remove you as a connection. It doesn't work like this, that you are becoming connected and then you staying connected for the rest of your life. You have to actually do something to maintain this, because even if you were connected on LinkedIn, there's still the real thing of having the real connection. And if you don't do anything for that, if you don't call them, if you don't send them messages, if you don't do something for them, if you don't spend any time with them, the real connection dies. And then if someone removes you electronically, it's just an extension of that there was no real connection anymore in the beginning. Now, if you want to learn more about how you can use LinkedIn, if you want to generate leads for your business, also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I'm going to put the link down in the description and into the pinned comment below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.